Hello, here is a quick video tutorial using the Digital Hill content management system on how to add a new news blog post. So once you log into your manager, you're going to land on the homepage admin area. And then the news blog manager is always the second icon with the W, which is the WordPress for the news blog. So if you click on that, it will open up the news blog area in a separate tab for you. When you come in, you're on the dashboard, and you can simply go to Posts, and then let's take a look at All Posts to begin with. All Posts shows us every post that we've done in the past and details about them. When they were published, we can easily hover over that and get into it to edit it, make a couple quick edits such as the author, categories, that type of thing. Let's just do a author, for example. So if we're in here, we can edit the title, the URL, the date, and we could change the author on this piece. So we can check if there's any other categories that we want. If we want to add tags, then I update that, and now the author of that one is changed. If I want to create a new one, I have two ways to do that. I can go to the Add New or use this Add New. So we're going to go there, and that opens up a blank slate for a new news blog. So I can enter the title, my title here, wherever I want the title to be, and then basically this is my content area. Here, if I wanted to add a image and a second paragraph, okay, I could just keep going. I could type. It has spell check in it, so I can go through that piece. If I want to use the tools, I can bold it, I can underline it. I can bullet pieces, or I can make them numbers, all those types of things that go with that. The big keys here, I could center align it, left align it, and this is the big one if I want to make it a hyperlink. Okay, so let's just say I want it to go to digitalhill.com, and I can apply that. If I want more settings on it, I can open this and say maybe I want to open in a new window. It will also search past posts that you could link to if you want to. I'm just going to do that. So there's a link. Now let's go back to my image. So I said image, but I want to have an image there. So I would, wherever I want my image, then I click on Add Media. It brings up any images that I've already previously uploaded, or I can go to Upload Files, and this will connect to my computer, and I can take a look at images that I have that I might want to upload. Let's just grab an image. It'll load that. It tells you the details of that image, how big it is. I can set some settings on that image if I want to, and then where do I want it to appear in the page? Do I want it centered? Do I want it to link to anything that image? If I want to link it to another page on the website, for instance, I can put that page in. Then how do I want it to display? Full, medium, or thumbnail? Typically, you're going to want full-size images because that's going to be best for sharing on social media. The page is about 600 pixels wide, so it's good to have an image that is 600 pixels wide. That's good for social sharing, so I'm going to insert that one. There's the image right where I had placed it. Then at any time I can save the draft, which obviously does exactly that, saves the draft. I can see the details here, but let's say I want to publish it now. I can just hit publish and that post would go live. But if I want to publish it at a future date, let's say that I want it to go live tomorrow, I can change the date and I could change the time. So this would be July 7th at 6:54 a.m. If I hit OK, this button changed from publish to schedule. So then I would hit schedule, and it would set that post to go live at that date. Alright, so I'm not going to now because this is a test post. But the other pieces that you go scroll down the page, you can add it to different categories. So you might want to create another category called urgent care news, and so I could create a category simply by typing it in there and adding it, and then I could select that for the news post. It's typically always good to have them always in one category, in this case, which is news, and then if you want to add them to separate subcategories, you can create those categories here. The other item I want to recommend is that you use a featured image always. This is the image that social media sites will pull in, such as Facebook by default, so you need to add an image in the featured image area. This gives you some details on the SEO content. So if I'm writing about healthcare, that might be my focus keyword topic. It's going to give me some details on how I'm doing with SEO, search engine optimization copy for that keyword. And those are the basics of creating a new post. And so I could save it, I can leave and go to all posts, and this post will be there. So here it is, my title here, it's in draft mode. I can easily go back in to edit that post right here. In this case I don't want that one, so I'm going to trash that post. That is how you create a news blog in the Digital Hill content management system. That should take care of your needs for that.